All right, so the Arctic Air people have made an Arctic Air Ice Jet portable jet air cooler. All right, so it's got built-in LED, it's got 3 adjustable speeds, it's got multi-directional air vent, built-in Arctic ice, which supposedly will last for 4 hours. So here's your box. Look at those people having fun. That's the same thing. And there it gives you a little bit of an idea of it. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what we got. All right. Sometimes you gotta do, you gotta get one of these things. All right, so here it is. Arctic Ice Jet. Unveiling. We're getting there. Apparently, they do have directions. We'll put those over here. It does come with USB to USB-C. Let's pop this off. All right, here it comes. Let's take a look at it. All right, that's everything right there. That's the whole shebang, apparently. Let's see if we can open it up. All right, it comes with this thing. Is supposed to keep the moisture out. All right, here it is. Bam. All right, so it looks like to get into this, we pop this open. And now we've got these 3 doohickeys right here that we've got to fill up with water, and we got to freeze them. All right, so there's 3 of them. You follow me? All right, so anyway, we've got 3 of these, and then they just go in here. There's little things that they set into. So when I pull it out, you're gonna notice, you see how there's a little like thing here where they fit into, just like that. And that's basically it, right? So the air is gonna blow out through here, and you've got some different, you can move these things. You see that? See how they move? I'm moving this little lever here. So you can direct the airflow wherever you want, which is nice. Okay, shut that until we get ready to put our frozen things in there. And then on the bottom here, I'm not quite sure what this is, but this gives you all the stats on it. And here's this hole here. Now this must be a spot to drain the condensation, so you'd probably have to put it over the sink to do that. But that'll keep it from leaking out, I guess. And over here is your USB. Now it doesn't come with a block. All right, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find a block. I've got plenty of them, plenty of blocks. So, and here's the here's your USB, and I've got a bunch of iPhone blocks that I can use. As a matter of fact, I've got a USB plugged in right over here, which we could probably use. So this is pretty long too. It looks like it's about 6 feet long, so that should give you enough leeway. And this USB-C would go right into this USB-C port here, just like that. And then, of course, you're going to have to get your block and plug it in. You follows me? Okay. Now, here I'm going to show you what basically what they're saying it does is you get the hot air, it comes in, it runs, it gets sucked over these frozen doohickeys, and then cold air comes out. And that's basically it. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's basically drawing air, using electricity to pull the air over ice, and then you get cold air. That's just it. That's how it works. That's how all these Arctic airs work. All right. And of course, you can look through here, and it has, I don't know what this is, some kind of boost packet. Maybe we're supposed to pour that inside of the things so that they freeze faster or something. Let's take a look and see what this is. It says, stop, do not return to store. Why not? It will be returned to the store, by the way. So anyway, these things, all right, so warning, do not ingest for use in Arctic Air Ice Jet Packs. So this is what we're supposed to put in the jet packs, apparently. It tells you not to bring it back to the store. It shows you here, it says, freeze ice packs with ice booster powder. All right, well, that might be a good idea. For maximum cooling, the maximum cool, use all 3 ice packs. For maximum time run, use 1 or 2 frozen ice packs at the same time and leave the remaining ice packs in the freezer. And then it says pour ice boost powder into your ice packs. Fill ice packs with water until they reach the maximum fill line. Replace the cap and shake the ice packs to mix. Oh, well, that's something we didn't do. I guess we got to go do that, right? So here's your little things that you need to freeze. If you notice, this is the maximum fill line here. So then we've got to go ahead and pop this off. Now, it says that we're supposed to put this inside of there. So I guess we just can rip it open like that, right? And then this goes in here like this. All right. Which is kind of weird. I don't know what this is. This must be something that keeps the ice from freezing too much. But apparently you put it in before, and then you're going to fill it up to this line here, right here. Okay, so here we go. Oops. All right, I think that's good. All right, let's put our top on. I mean, it's kind of hard to figure out where you're putting the frickin' thing in. Let's go ahead and get that one on there. Set that one over there. Let's get another one. And let's get this one. Take her off, right? Let's grab our other doohickey here. Let me show this to you. So this is what you put in there. They don't want you ingesting this. Apparently, it's poison. So let's put it in. Okay, that's in. Let's fill her up. Okay, that's it. That's good. Let's put the top on. I might spill a little out. Put the top on. If I can get it on. Okay, so that's 2. All right, we got to do one more. All right, let's get this one off. And let's go ahead and fill her up with regular. I think I had just enough. There we go. This doesn't want to come out. Okay, we got it. Let's fill her up. Okay, that's good. Let's put the top on. All right, apparently we did this the proper way now. Now we've got all 3 of these. Now we got to put them into the freezer and freeze them. So let's go over here to the freezer, open her up, and let's just set it in there, right there. And then we'll come back in about an hour or so and we'll use them. Okay. All right, so here they are. Bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. We'll bring him over here. Now they say that just to put 1 or 2 in, and then keep 1 in the freezer so that you can replace it. But we'll put 2 in. Close her, and now we're ready to go. Now turn it on. We just kick this in. Bam. Check that out. Now if we want to change the light, here we go. Look at the different colors. I think the last one just goes through all the colors. Let's see. Yeah, see how it changes? So I'm not even touching it now. It just goes back and forth. Now you can slow it down. When you first press it, it goes to high speed. You can go a little bit lower. A little bit lower. And then if I hit it one more time, it's off. So this is the start. And it goes right back to the light source that you had. I can turn it off and it still runs. And I like it on this blue because it makes me feel cool. This thing here moves those vents inside. You see how the vents are moving? And that's basically it. So they say basically keep 1 or 2 of these in the freezer. That way you can run it longer. And yeah, it feels pretty cool, I gotta say. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.